Once again, welcome you to the program Know Yourself. This is a channel that we have designed to help all of us live peacefully in our relationship. We are on a series of how to be a good wife, but today we're looking at qualities of a good wife, the first part. Now, as I said, whenever someone gets into marriage, the quest for that individual is for her, especially for a woman, to become a good wife. And to be a good wife, you need to possess certain qualities. One of the qualities that a good wife needs to possess is that you need to look good. It may seem trivial, but it is not. Take good care of yourself and look good after marriage. Many people make this mistake that, now let me ignore, I'm already married. But if indeed you keep yourself neat and you look good, the issue is that it will attract your husband to you almost all the time. Make sure that his attention is on you almost all the time. Maintain your health as well, as good health reflects on your looks and your mood. Find ways and means. Dress neat. It is not about going for expensive clothing. No, that simple one that you have. Make sure to keep yourself neat all the time. The next one is that you need to go on dates with your husband. You may be having bigger responsibilities on your shoulders, I know, as individuals, but those should not be a hindrance to romance. The spark between you and your husband need not die out because now you are married. Go on dates whenever you can, like you used to do before you got married. If there is a need for you to set a day apart, a particular time apart, so that the two of you can go on dates to create some memories in your life. Again, you need to accept his friends. Very, very important. It's a quality that you need to possess. After you get married, you accept each other's lifestyle. If you have any assessment, you do it before marriage. But once you got married, it means you have accepted every lifestyle of your husband. The same goes well for friends. Understanding your husband has friends and that he needs to spend some time with them. Maybe playing a game, or they want to hang out for some time. It's very important for you. Take the time and effort to get to know his friends and realize that they hold a special place in your husband's heart. In fact, if your husband knows that you also like his friends, that in itself will make him happy and will make him to also have the love that he has for you even increase. If indeed you rather find ways and means of putting him off his friends all the time, you create problem for yourself. It is by getting closer to your friends that will help you even know them better, so you can have some discussions with him if need be. Again, be his best friend. If you have not forgotten, we almost took a whole series. We devoted it to friendship, marriage from friendship standpoint. And this is the quality, I hope you have not forgotten, that the best marriage is the one where the couples or the couple is each other's best friend. Can you imagine you married to your friend, a genuine friend? And so try almost all the time to let your husband want to be with you. The first thing that comes to mind apart from God is you. So be his best friend. Again, a quality that is very, very important and very crucial when it comes to you being a good wife is that you need to choose your fight smartly. Do you know of any marriage that doesn't have fights? In fact, every relationship has its share of differences. A good wife knows which fight to choose. You need to know which fights are necessary and which are not. No one willingly gets into a fight, but some problems and topics are just too petty to waste your energy. Can you imagine that Once in a while, your husband bumps into an old friend. Maybe they all grew up together, they attended the same church together whilst they were young. It has been some ages, and now they bump into each other, and a simple hi, then you pick fight out of it. Choose your fight smartly. You don't need to waste your energy on almost every trivial issue. The next is that you need to have fun. You and your husband will have many relationships and responsibilities on your shoulders, and things will get overwhelming at times. However, you do not have to take things seriously all the time. It is important to have fun too. Make sure that your husband does not always worry about home and work. Allow him to have fun. As you have fun, think of ways that you can enjoy together. It will not only help relieve the tension, but also bring each other closer to each other. Again, today we want to thank you for your time. We want to assure you that we are still not through with qualities of a good wife. So in our next bulletin, we'll continue. We want to implore you to subscribe. And once you subscribe, share so others can receive more content. We thank you once again. Bye-bye.